The Samsung fully automatic top-loading washing machine is designed for eco-fabric care. This elegantly built machine is designed to offer maximum ease of use. The control panel is equipped with a diverse range of convenient one-touch washing presets that help deliver the perfect washing performance. The built-in sink is to soak and scrub tough stains before the wash. The diamond drum is specially designed to offer maximum fabric protection. Its diamond-shaped ridges clean your clothes gently and thoroughly. The smaller water exit holes have smooth ridges to ensure that your clothes don't get trapped and damaged. The easy-to-clean Magic filter traps lint and other particles, giving you clean, lint-free clothes with every wash. The specially designed stainless steel pulsator creates a powerful water shower within the drum. This ensures that dirt is removed effectively and your clothes get a thorough wash. Built of high-grade stainless steel, the pulsator is corrosion-resistant and has a long life. The digital inverter motor automatically adjusts its operation according to the load, saving as much water and energy as possible. With eco-fabric care, Samsung fully automatic top-loading washing machines give you the perfect wash with the perfect savings.